up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It is your girl Hunter with the Davis fam of 5, and we are back with another video. I wanted to talk to you guys about that quick. Me saying it just reminded me, our channel name is Davis fam of 4. Well, we are now Davis fam of 5 because of Colton. So I'm probably gonna change that to Davis fam of 5. I kind of already changed it at the beginning of my videos, but I didn't really want to change it, like my channel name, because if people try to search me up, it's not going to be Davis fam of 4 anymore. But I'm going to change that here soon, so if you're wondering why it changed, that's why. But yeah, we're in the car right now. Madison and Ryleigh are back there, and Colton. Tyler, say hi. We just got in the car. We're still parked at our house. Tyler is at work. I have a little gift card or whatever for Applebee's, so I thought I would take the kids out to eat. My dad, I think, is gonna come along with us, so I'm kind of waiting on him right now.
But yeah.
So let's go to Applebee's and get these kids something to eat. Do you wanna open the door, Rye? Over here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You ready to eat?
Yeah. No.
Really?
Look, I'm going this way.
You like the fries? Colton, are you eating? Look at that big ass burger. So we are at my dad's right now after Applebee's, and there is a bird in the trash can. Let it go. I don't know if its wing is like broke. I'm gonna try to let it out. Let him jump out. Go ahead, baby. Maddie, come back here. Go ahead, babe. It's not even a baby. It's like an adult bird.
It's in there.
Look at him. Wait, Dad.
No.
He can't fly.
I'm scared of him.
I think it'll be safer out here, but he should. There's something different before he can fly, then I guess, paddle bit.
He's cute.
Yeah, he's almost done, man.
I wonder if he got hurt.
I think he got stuck in it.
I think he fell in and accidentally take it out. Mom, I looked in there and I turned it and I said, let's close the kitchen. And she said, and I left the trash can. And then I said, oh my God, there's something in the trash can. Because I thought it was a cat.
When she said there's something in the trash can, I was like, no, there's not.
Oh, look, he's over there.
What's up, guys? We are home now, and Tyler's home from work. We stopped at my Uncle Cork's. That's where we seen that bird. The bird is fine. It did fly up and went in like the other neighbor's yard. But right now, we are about to go to the yard sale. We seen a yard sale when we came home, and the girls want to go check out these pink things. So we are going to do that right now. So let's go to the yard sale. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here quick. I did not make an outro for this video. The last clip that you guys saw was us going to the yard sale. We ended up getting the girls' swing cars. That's the pink cars that they seen. So we did get them 2 of the cars, and then Tyler got a punch bowl. And the girls ended up getting 2 little purses. Madison's purse has an M on it. It was really cute. And then we ended up going to his mom's house afterwards and stayed there for a little bit. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of do an outro for this video so it doesn't just end like that. So Ryleigh is up with me. Madison went to bed already. So we decided to show you the swing cars. It was like once she sits on it and puts her feet up and like goes side, see how it goes like that? It's kind of cool, but on the road, if there's like a lot of stones, it doesn't work that great. But that's cute. This is her purse. It says Justice. Is there anything in there? Or you didn't put anything in? It was in her toy box. She had some stuff in there, like her phone and...
But I lost it.
You lost your phone already? You want to show Madison's purse since she's sleeping?
Yeah. So this is Madison with a color.
It has a pom-pom.
And it's different colors.
And it has an M for Madison.
And this says Justin.
That says Justice too. Yes, you're right. Good job. You're smart.
Because Grandpa told me.
Grandpa told you?
This is M for Madison.
Yeah. So Madison, which swing car is yours?
This one because I have this.
The pink and purple, and then she got the pink and black.
Yeah, she got the black color thing. And I got the...
But yeah, we went to the yard sale and they were only 10 bucks a piece. So we got them. Punch bowl came with like 7 to 10 little glasses. They're like really cute. They're like little teacups. And then it's like a big punch bowl with like a scoop. So we ended up getting that as well. It's like a whole set. So Tyler wanted that for if we make alcoholic drinks. So we were just kind of hanging out. Madison's sleeping. Colton is walking around. He is still not like fully walking by himself. He's kind of like holding on to things and then he'll walk around, or he will drag things and walk around. But as soon as he lets go, he just goes down to crawl. He's like still scared to actually go by himself. He took like 3 or 4 steps 4 or 5 days ago, and we thought he would be walking by now, but he still isn't. He's like a year and 2 or 3 months. The girls walked at like 9 or 10 months, so I was like, oh my god. But yeah, and Ryleigh will be starting school in about 2 months. She has her physical coming up. That's July 16th or something, and then July 22nd they both have their dentist appointments. I was going to start Madison in Head Start, but I don't know if I'm going to. I might let her stay home with me so me and her can like work on some things while Ryleigh goes to school. Ryleigh is definitely more advanced than Madison. Madison is 4 though, and Ryleigh between the ages like 4 and 5, she grew so much. Like she makes her own cereal, she makes her own toast. Like it's crazy. Now I do supervise her, but I mean she wants to make it herself. She's very like, she's more independent, but yeah, I know you didn't ask that, but I'm just kind of telling you. But those are some things that are coming up. I can't wait to go to like the open house for her school, and my mom is going to take her school shopping. We'll take them both shopping, but Ryleigh needs some stuff for school. Ryleigh's looking at me like, what the hell?
What?
You're like looking at me. But yeah, and if you are subscribed already, thank you so much for subscribing to us. And remember, we are going to change our name to davisfamoffive. Ryleigh just spilled the milk. I guess I spoke too soon about being independent, but she didn't spill much. She just spilled a little bit on the seat. I will help you, hold on. But yeah, so we are going to change our name to davisfamoffive. That will probably be within the next couple of days. I just want to get it done. I hate to change it because I'm so used to davisfam4. I should have thought about that more before I did it because, yeah. But let's hope it doesn't have to get changed to davisfam6 because that does not sound right. So, alright guys, I'm gonna get off here to clean up her milk. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.